Forgotten by time, buried in dust, this 1998 Toyota Supra MK4 once ruled the streets. Now, it sits silent in an abandoned barn, waiting for a second chance. Today, we bring it back into the light. Every restoration begins with a decision to save what others would scrap. Years of dirt wash away, layer by layer, its true shape begins to reappear. The heart must come out, every bolt removed carefully, every connection inspected. Under city lights, the legend awakens. In daylight, every reflection tells the story of dedication. From forgotten barn to open highway, power restored. Rescued, rebuilt, reborn.